Have you ever thought about what it means to be alone? I mean, truly alone and on your own? Sometimes we reach crossroads in our lives that make us just want to sit in silence for a bit. And sometimes that silence is extremely loud. And other times, the silence is far too quiet. Sometimes we need to see the brilliant blue skies fall into the night, a night that holds an impossible number of stars. To feel the sea humble you while never even taking notice as she continues to move. You might not believe this, but you would be amazed at what you could do when you were forced to. And in the end, there's more magic waiting for you than you ever imagined. Sometimes the only path forward requires a certain amount of resistance.